In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix the error of authorization failed in MT5. There are several reasons why you will be getting the authorization failed on MT5, and I am going to explain all of them for you to fix that issue in this video. You are going to come to MT5, click on it. So when you come to your MT5, come over to the top left hand corner, come to manage accounts. Now I am going to attempt to log into an account. So it is an XNES account that I want to attempt so that you see how the authorization failed error occurs. Okay, so I am going to XNES. This is my XNES account, and I have several trading accounts attached to my XNES account. Now this one that has yearly investment, it ends with 914. Okay, so I want to log into this particular account on MT5. So let us see the login details of this particular account. So go to details, go to settings. You can see that this particular account has server XNES MT5 Real 10. The login at this, it ends with 914. Now I am going to enter the correct password, and you will still see that it will give us authorization failed. So having known everything, MT5 Real 10 as the server and this is the login, I am going to take this account to the archives. So I'm going to make it inactive right now. So go over to the account, select a different account. It has been selected. So that other one that I showed you guys, I will come and click and drag to the left and click on archive. It takes it to this particular place, making this particular account inactive. So let me attempt logging into this account on MT5 right now. So when you are on MT5, click this plus sign, click XNES Technologies. So this is the server XNES MT5 Real 10. Then the login, paste it, enter the correct password. So when you attempt to log into this account, it will give you the authorization failed. Let's click on it. You see we are having the error authorization failed over here. So whenever your account is inactive or it has been taken to the archive, it is going to give you the authorization failed. And that mostly happened when you have not used that account for a very long time. Depending on your broker, sometimes it's for weeks, and there is no money in it, so they will take it and make it inactive. You can restore it back. So you can come to your broker like XNES, log into it. This is just for this. So I am showing, if you are using XNES, you find this easy because for the purpose of this video, I'm showing you this. But if you go back to your broker's app, you can see it under inactive account or archived account. You can go over there and restore it. So I will click this archived. Then I will drag this to the left and click restore. So it restores the account for me. It has been restored to be active now. So when I go back to MT5 and I try logging into that same account again, so when you enter everything again, click login, you see we have been logged into the account on MT5. No any authorization failed again. Now the second reason again that could give you authorization failed is when you enter the wrong details. So ensure that anytime you are copying the details of your account, let us go back again to our app our Xness app. Let's say I want to log into this account that ends with 8867. Go to the details, settings. Now this is it for us, and this is the Xness server. Now instead of this Xness server, you are not entering the correct Xness server. Instead of MT5 real 9, maybe you went and entered MT5 trial 9. So ensure that these logins are correct. If not, you will have the authorization failed. So we now have server is Xness MT5 real 9 and login is this. So I love copying it to avoid mistakes. You come over to your MT5, click on the add. Now select the correct broker, which is Xness Technologies. You enter the login and the password you enter. Now if your password is wrong, you will have authorization failed. If your login is wrong, you will have authorization failed error. If your server is wrong, you will have authorization failed error. So instead of this Xness MT5 real 9, you are selecting MT5 trial 9. You can't log in. Click on it. You will have authorization failed. Look at it here. Okay? So you have to come back to it again and select the correct login, add the correct login, the password, enter the correct password. The server, select the real 9 MT5 real 9. So this is it, MT5 real 9. When everything is correct, login correct, password correct, server correct, you will not have the authorization failed. So click login. You see, we have been logged in to the account. You can see it here. We have been logged in right now. Another thing again that could give you the authorization failed is if you are using a prop firm that you have failed. So if you have a prop firm that you have breached their rules, they will delete your account, and anytime you come back to it to log into it, you will have authorization failed. So if it is a prop firm that you are using and you have authorization failed, go back to the website of the prop firm. You may see, or check your email, you may see that you have breached their rules. So they have deleted the account. Another issue again that could give you authorization failed is if you have been banned by your broker. So if you enter the correct login, the correct password, the correct server, and you see that you are not still logged into it, then it means you have been banned by your broker. You can contact their support. And lastly, which is what people always overlook, I always tell people, whenever you come to this plus sign that you are seeing at the top, click on the plus sign. There are a lot of brokers that you might have logged into it, or they can show you here by default. You can see them here. By default, you could have some already. The common ones, they may show you. Okay. So what you need to do, even if you want to log into Xness and you are seeing Xness here, don't click on this one that they are showing you here by default. Still go ahead and use this search and click inside and search Xness. Allow that blue button to roll and still show you that Xness Technologies. Then now click on it. Allow these ones that are rolling to finish loading. Then you can now enter your correct login, which is your account number, your correct password, and your correct server. That is when it will log you in. If not, you will have authorization failed. Why? Because by default, if you don't use this search and you simply see what is here and you are using it, sometimes the MT5 server has not updated everything at the background for you. So when you just see this and you just simply click it without using that search option, it won't update those things for you. And when you enter even the correct login and the correct password and the correct server, you may still have authorization failed because the server has not been updated. So always try by every means that you should use the search option and type what you are looking for. Okay, so this is a simple video showing you the reasons and how to fix the issue of authorization failed error. If you have any question regarding that, or you have tried a lot of other things, it's not working for you, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.